the Rusty's Medicated Bumper Ointment team ran a great race today. And remember, with a little Rusty's and an insane amount of luck, you too can look like me. Ciao.
Hey, kid, we love you, and we're looking forward to another great year, just like this year.
Not on your life.
Don't drive like my brother.
Oh, yeah, don't drive like my brother.
We're dying.
Here we come.
Yes,
Here we come.
Ooh. Yeah.
Life's like a road that you travel along. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. Where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate.
Don't
There's
worry,
no much
Mr.
time left today. Life is a
What's that?
through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then.
You mother say where?
From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the cowbell pass have been cool as lights. And knock me down and back up again. You're in my blood, I'm a lonely man.
Oh, real close to the hours.
This I know, I'll be there when the light comes in. Still
My brother!
life is a highway. I wanna go.
I know this is it. I can give
The
it.
world's fastest racing machine,
Is this Harv, the world's greatest agent?
and it is such an honor to be your agent that it almost hurts me to take 10% of your winnings and merchandising and ancillary rights in perpetuity. Anyway, what a race, huh, champ? I didn't see it, but I heard you were great.
Thanks, Harv.
Listen, they're giving you 20 tickets for the tiebreaker thing in Cali. I'll pass them on to your friends. You shoot me the names. You let Harv rock it for you, all right, baby?
Right, friends. Yes, there's,
Okay, I get it, Mr. Proper. There's so many friends you can't even narrow it down. Hey, when you get to town, you better make time for your best friend. You gotta break bread with your mashbuka here.
Yeah, that would be great. We should totally.
I gotta jump, kid. Let me know how it goes. I'm out.
What? A minivan?
Oh, come on, Mac. You're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stopping off for a quick breather, kid. Old Mac needs a rest.
Absolutely not. We're driving straight through all night till we get to California. We agreed to it.
All night? May I remind you, federal DOT regs state...
I need to get there before Chick and hang with Dinah go.
All those sleeping trucks.
Hey, kid, I don't know if I can make it.
Oh, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night.
All
night long.
No! You hear it. No! Don't worry, guys. Back! Back here!